We're at gotomath.com. Click on the calculus. Let's go down to first derivative test. And let's look at 10-1. Okay. So as you can see in the graph, that's the point we want to find. Find all relative minimum and maximum points. So let's write this down. Alright, I believe that was it. 12, 13, and 6, and I think the name of the function was f of x. It usually is. Okay, so we just follow the same procedures. We're going to take the derivative. So we have f prime of x is equal to 24x plus 13. And then we set the derivative equal to 0. Of course, I'm going to let c be x. Remember, that's the critical number we want to find. And then we just solve for c in this problem, so we end up with c is equal to negative 13 over 24. And we can't break that down any more than what it is. Okay, so then what we'll want to do is draw a number line, and we will put negative 13, 24 on the number line, and of course that's something that's less than between negative 1 and 0. So let's do this. Let's choose negative 1 as one of our test points, and then we'll choose 0 as a good one. For the other test point, I've been circling my test points. I don't know why. Anyway, so then what we'll do is take negative 1, plug it into the derivative. So let's see. I'll run out of room here. F of negative 1, we're plugging that into the derivative. Now all we care about is if this is a negative or positive number at this point. So if we plug negative 1 in, we get negative 24 plus 13. So we know that this is going to be a negative number, okay? Right, and therefore it is decreasing. And now let's plug in f prime of 0. So we plug 0 in, we get 13, so we know that this is a positive. I'm not writing what these are equal to. Like I said, all we care about is if it's negative or positive. So it's increasing, so you can see that there's going to be, this will be a minimum. Alright, now to actually find that minimum, you would do f of negative 13 over 24 and plug that into this guy up here. I'll let you go ahead and do that, but plug that negative 13 over 24 into this, and that will be your y value, right? So this is going to be, we said, a minimum. It's actually, we're considering it to be a relative minimum at negative 13 over 24, and then I'm just going to write this in here, let you figure out what that other one is. Alright, so there's your minimum there. Alright, so let's move over to the whiteboard. And click answer. And there you go, relative min. And of course I did plug that in the calculator, paused the video, and I got 119 over 48. Okay, so that should be the same thing that you get. Alright, well, come on by, practice that, and I may chat with you at the forum. Bye.